This lagoon is natural, that's why the name of this place, Ccochahuasi. Cocha is lagoon, water. Iwasi is house, Ccochahuasi. That's why the name of this sanctuary, Ccochahuasi. The name of this animal is goose. This is a special animal, especially in the Sacred Valley. In Ollantaytambo, there are many of these animals, and the local people, they create some dances according to this animal, because this is the male. The male is a protector of the female and make a special dance, and the people simulating this, they create this special dance that the name is Huallatas. Why this animal is very special? Because he has only one wife for all the life. If the wife died, so he is going to die too, before to meet another couple.
Baby deers, they are females, okay? Usually we saw these animals in these mountains, walking alone, living with families, that females, usually more females. But the people in the times, they say the meat is too tasty and very expensive. For those and the people in the times, they kill these animals, they shoot and they eat, or they sell them food practically for easy money. But now it's illegal, it's prohibited. Usually people, they broke these rules and they kill these animals. They lost the mom. For that reason, they need practically another mom, but it's impossible to catch an animal and put here. For that reason, we use all the grass to feed these guys. Right? 2 months or 3 months more with us, because now they are bigger and we release. It's necessary. So now these two, they have a beautiful dad and it's here practically. First, I separate these two, the other eye, okay? If I try to touch, they run, they can escape. They are not friendly, they are wild animals. They know people are dangerous, and it's good because we need to release these animals. If the people they touch, they are friendly, it's impossible to release these animals, okay? For example, first I separate the other two there because they have a special area there. All the area closed. Then I open this area because here we got a big guy. His name is Bambi, because Bambi is the real history of the movie. Bambi comes here last 5 years ago, like the babies, small. But now this guy is very big. Okay. Look. I open.
He's a big one. ¿Le cortaron los cuernos,
No, se le cayeron.
Se le cayeron.
Yesterday, he changed his horns.
That's why he's like
Practically, this guy, he changed 2 times per year, the horns. It's necessary because he's now a young animal. He can grow up more, practically. This case, 1 or 2 times more, and he have the new horns, bigger and dangerous. He have 5 years. We try to release Bambi 7 or 8 times, but now Bambi knows very well this sanctuary. He returns all the times. He knows all the ways to return. He smells the odor of this stuff. He knows the cashmere we used to for transport, for example, and they return with the cashmere. Now it's impossible to release because he knows free life here is easy to live. He don't have predators. Practically is happy here, and he knows. Look, he go near with the babies because he thinks. Now the other guy, Jeremy, he practically Bambi thinks if a human is near with the babies, he try to attack the babies, and probably he try to protect the babies. Yes. Usually, when the people they are here, Bambi permitted touch. We touch is friendly, but when we go inside, we try to attack for protect the babies. He adopted the baby.
Oh, this is good.
Mom and baby. Different species, but now they're in a family.
Qué bonito.
A screw monkey, Simon, this yellow, and Monica, she's cleaning the baby. She's the titillating monkey. She adopted the baby probably. Now they're in a family.
Qué bonito.
And they live within a bird. You see a bird there in the
Ah,
back.
sí, 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 sí.
They live together because, again, now they're in a family. When we
qué
try to
bonito.
separate, they depress. They never eat. The bird, he pull out the feathers for the bears. For that reason, we try to put together here. And for release, we need to release in group. It's necessary. These two, male and a female, they are in a couple, and they are the two alphas, the leaders here. In this case, Malku, the male, have crest like chickens and brown eyes. Nia, the female, there in the corner, she have just red eyes, and they don't have crest. All the condors, they have the white scarf, necks, and these two, just these two, they are the alphas. In total in this sanctuary we have 11 condors, okay? Now with us, 6 in this area. The other 5, they are in different areas because they are in recovery, or we try to separate for reproduce.